can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah.
Hi TSU, welcome back to another day of the Mrs. O Math Show. Last week, we spent each day learning how to measure time or tell time. We learned that there are two types of clocks. We have an analog clock and a digital clock. On an analog clock, that circle is called the face, the shorthand is the hour hand, and the minute hand is the long hand. We also learned the special word we say when the minute hand is pointing to the 12. What's that special word, boys and girls? That's right, o'clock. This clock would be read as 3 o'clock. On a digital clock, we also have the clock face. The first number tells us the hour, and these two numbers tell us the minutes. When both of these numbers are zeros, we use that special word again, o'clock. We also learned that when the minute hand is on the 6, we have another special word we use. We use the word 30, or sometimes we say half past the hour. This clock would be read as 3:30, and this clock would be the same, 3:30. Today, we're going to practice reading the time on both analog and digital clocks. I'm going to show you how to play a game. Okay. The game is in today's packet. So let's pull out the week 5, day 1 packet and go to the very last 2 pages. You should find a page that has balloons with a digital clock and a page of balloons with analog clocks. I'd like you to cut these clocks out and then have a pile of analog clocks and a stack of digital clocks. Pause the video while you cut these out. Let's watch to see how Danielle plays the memory game. She's taken all of the cards and put them into 2 sections. The first section shows the analog clocks, and the second section has all of the balloons with the digital clocks. All right, now Danielle's going to turn 1 card over from each section and try to match the times. Ooh, that clock says 7:30. Let's see if she can find a digital clock that also says 7:30. No, that's not a match. Try again, Danielle. That clock says 10:30. Can she find a digital clock that also says 10:30? Yay, she did it! Look how these 2 clocks match. They both say 10:30. Way to go, Danielle. Continue with the matching game until you've matched up the analog clocks with the digital clocks. Hit pause while you play your game, and then when you're finished, hit play to watch the rest of the video. The last part of math today is the spiral review. I want to take a quick minute and look at this missing numbers part today. I'd like to review how we can use the part-whole model to help us solve these types of problems. So I've taken the first one and I've written it on my board to help us see it a little bit better. The problem says 11 minus something, some number, equals 5, and we have to figure out what that missing number is. We can use the part-whole model to help us with that. So when I draw out that model, the top number is the whole. That's 11, the largest number. 5 is a part, and we have to figure out what the other part is. We can think of this as an addition problem to help us solve this. I can think 5 plus this number equals 11. Let's see. If I have 5, how many more do I have to add on to get to 11? I'm going to count on. So I will say 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I've had to count on 6 more to get to 11. My answer then is 6. As you go on to solve the rest of these problems, let's get it the right way again. Try using the part-part whole model and turning it into an addition problem to solve. The next box on the spiral review is measurement. The directions say count how many fish units wide each bubble is and record the answer in the box. The last section is graphing. Graph the data below and answer the questions. Now, across the top, it gives us a picture of a cat, a fish, a mouse, and a pig, and it tells us how many of each animal there is. Boys and girls, I noticed there was a mistake on this page, and I'd like you to correct the mistake just like I do. So when you see the picture of the cat and the number 9 next to it, take your pencil. I'd like you to cross out the number 9 and write a 7. There are really 7 cats, not 9. Now, to graph this, I'm going to look at the bottom of my graph, and I see the picture of a cat. Well, we know now there are 7 cats. How many blocks do you need to fill in if there are 7? Yeah, you're going to fill it all the way up to the 7, the top of that. Show me what a bar would look like for 3 fish, for 5 mice, and for 6 pigs. So do that graph, and then there are 3 questions to answer at the bottom. How many animals are there in total? How many cats and fish are there? How many mice and pigs are there? So those questions involve some addition today to help solve those. TSU, I hope you have a fabulous day today. Keep working hard, keep growing those brains, and I look forward to seeing you back here again tomorrow. Make it a great day. Bye.
You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah.